It's getting faster, so we might be getting closer to volcano mode. It's really starting to stink too, like something horrible. Here we go. Jeez, man. Still. Watch out, George. Watch out. Now she's got some pressure behind her. We can let her go. Volcano of shit. Yep, any second now we're going to get our clear water that we're supposed to have in the line. Wow. Wow. Over here, I hear the water coming. And I got to back up a little bit because that's not a fun day. Oh my God. Oh shit. Woo! Doggy! I got that on film, baby. Woo! You know what I'm saying? We were sitting right there by it. I didn't get one spray on me. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Woo! Damn. Oh yeah, the giant septic is like way over there on that hill. Good job, Septic Jedi.